Welcome to Radio Talk Show. I'm Mike, and with me is Sarah. Today, we have a delicious topic: famous American foods.
That's right, Mike. American cuisine is diverse and influenced by many cultures. We'll explore some iconic dishes, their history, why they are so popular today, and how they fit into modern life.
Let's start with the classic, the hamburger. The burger is one of the most well-known American foods, but did you know it has German origins?
Yes, the hamburger comes from the Hamburg steak, which German immigrants brought to America in the 19th century. Over time, it evolved into what we know today, a beef patty in a bun with toppings like lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and pickles.
And now, burgers are everywhere. Fast food chains like McDonald's and Burger King made them world famous. But gourmet burgers with high-quality ingredients are also trendy. Have you ever tried a burger with Wagyu beef or truffle aioli?
Oh yes, there are also plant-based burgers now, like the Impossible Burger, for those who want a meat-free option. Many people are more health-conscious these days, so restaurants are offering more choices. But no matter how you like your burger, it remains a symbol of American culture.
Next, let's talk about barbecue. Barbecue, or BBQ, is a big part of American food culture. Different regions have different styles, like Texas brisket, Memphis ribs, and Carolina pulled pork.
Right, BBQ is all about slow cooking meat with smoke for hours, making it tender and flavorful. Some say it started with Native Americans and early settlers, and today it's a must-have for family gatherings and celebrations.
BBQ competitions are huge in the US. People take their recipes seriously. Some families even pass down secret sauces for generations. And during summer, backyard barbecues bring people together, whether it's for the 4th of July, a football game, or just a weekend feast.
Speaking of comfort food, what about mac and cheese? It's simple but so delicious.
Mac and cheese is a creamy pasta dish made with cheese and milk. It became popular in the US in the 1800s, partly thanks to Thomas Jefferson, who loved it and served it at a White House dinner.
And now, you can find mac and cheese everywhere, from homemade versions to fancy restaurant styles with lobster or truffle oil. Some people even bake it with breadcrumbs for extra crunch. It's a childhood favorite for many Americans, but adults love it too.
Another American favorite is hot dogs. Hot dogs are sausages in a bun, often topped with mustard, ketchup, onions, or relish.
Hot dogs became popular through German immigrants in the 1800s. They're a staple at baseball games, barbecues, and street food stands. Some cities even have their own styles, like the Chicago dog with tomatoes and pickles, or the New York hot dog with sauerkraut and onions.
I love grabbing a hot dog at a baseball game. It just feels like a tradition. There are also some crazy hot dog variations now, like deep-fried hot dogs, or even ones wrapped in bacon.
And we can't forget about fried chicken. This crispy, juicy dish is loved by many.
Fried chicken has roots in Southern cooking, influenced by Scottish and African traditions. It's seasoned, battered, and deep-fried to create a crunchy crust. It's especially famous in places like Kentucky, home of KFC.
Fried chicken is also popular in fast food and fine dining alike. Some chefs put a modern twist on it by using different spices or serving it with gourmet sauces. And let's not forget about chicken and waffles, a sweet and savory combo that people love.
And speaking of fast food, let's talk about American fast food culture. The US is known as the birthplace of modern fast food, with chains like McDonald's, Wendy's, and Taco Bell becoming global icons.
Absolutely, fast food is a huge part of American life. People love the convenience, affordability, and consistency. Whether you're on a road trip or need a quick meal, there's always a fast food restaurant nearby.
And it's not just burgers and fries anymore. Fast food menus have expanded to include salads, wraps, and international flavors. There's even a rise in healthier fast food options, catering to people who want quick meals without sacrificing nutrition.
That's true. Fast food is also a cultural phenomenon, shaping how Americans eat and socialize. Drive-thrus, late-night diners, and delivery services have changed the way people experience food. Plus, social media has helped certain fast food items, like the Popeyes chicken sandwich or McDonald's special collaborations, go viral.
Fast food isn't just about eating, it's about memories, road trips, and even nostalgia. People associate certain brands with their childhood, favorite family meals, or special occasions.
And while fast food is convenient, American cuisine still values home-cooked meals and food traditions. Whether it's barbecue in the backyard, a Thanksgiving feast, or making homemade burgers, food always brings people together.
Let's end with a sweet treat, apple pie. People say as American as apple pie.
That's right, apple pie actually came from Europe, but it became a symbol of American culture. It's made with sweet apples, cinnamon, and a flaky crust, perfect with a scoop of ice cream.
And today, you can find so many versions of apple pie, deep dish, lattice crust, or even mini hand pies. Some families have their own secret recipes that they bake every holiday season.
Well, that was a tasty conversation. American food is a mix of history, culture, and delicious flavors.
Yes, and what's great is how food brings people together. Whether it's a burger at a picnic, barbecue with family, or apple pie on Thanksgiving, these dishes are part of life in America.
We hope you enjoyed today's talk. What's your favorite American food? Let us know. Thanks for listening to Radio Talk Show.
See you next time. Stay hungry and stay curious.